Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Acura RDX technology package. This one's brown. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 251 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, you got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A tan leather interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch. RDX all-wheel drive badging. Opening up the tailgate. Got a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with a keyless entry. Memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, a push-start ignition. Rear view backup camera, navigation, our media display, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission. This Acura has 50,611 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Acura RDX with the technology package, check out feldmanimports.com.